Are you on a keto diet and planning a road trip? Well, stick around and watch our list of essential things to pack.
Hey guys, so we're about to go on a road trip from Dallas all the way to Chicago, 15 hours.
Yes, and we know that we're going to be hungry on the way. Usually in the past for road trips, we have bags and bags of chips and cookies and brownies and
all kinds of sweets and stuff.
Junk, basically.
But when you're on keto, you gotta pack a little bit differently. So here's a few things that we're bringing. We feel that these are essentials to any keto people going on a road trip. So here we go.
So we like to bring Lavash. Now this is not regular Lavash, it is a flax Lavash, which is like the most amazing thing ever. It tastes amazing, and it's got like 5 net carbs per piece. So works out pretty good.
It works out amazingly. So usually what I like to do with this Lavash is bring it alongside with us, and on the road, whenever we stop by a fast food restaurant like, let's say, Taco Bell, I can order what I usually order, which is a mini chicken quesadilla, and I'll usually take the fillings out and I'll put it in my Lavash, and then I can still eat the Taco Bell as normal. Okay, so I've just ordered 2 mini chicken quesadillas, and I've asked for it without the tortillas. And now all I have to do is put the filling inside just like this. Roll it up just like that, and voila! I've got a mini chicken quesadilla from Taco Bell that I can eat on keto. And it tastes amazing too.
Yep, even at Subway, if you happen, or any other sandwich place, you can just give them your piece of Lavash and all the toppings that they have are perfectly fine. So it's a good substitute.
So we like to bring a variety of cheeses because cheese is something we love to eat.
Yum.
Love it.
Yummy.
So we have all kinds of cheese. We've got our goat cheese. We've got these Baby Bell little circle cheeses, which are perfect for on the go.
Fresh mozzarella. This comes pre-sliced, and you can cut it down a little further into little cubes and put it in a little container.
Yeah.
Works out perfect. And the goat cheese sometimes is a little messy, but we just prep it ahead of time, make little balls, and put it in a container. That way you can just pop them in your mouth.
Yes. So anytime we go on a road trip, we usually like to pack some kind of chips and dip with us. Fortunately for us, a lot of dips are allowed on keto, such as spinach artichoke dip, sour cream onion dip, like any kind of creamy dip. But for our chips, we usually make our own chips.
Right. So the first chip that we make, or it's almost a cracker / chip, is made out of flaxseed. And because flaxseed virtually have like 0 net carbs, you can just make these chips and eat as many as you want. They're really good. They're high in fiber. Just be sure you drink a lot of water after that. And the other thing is the same Lavash that we use, we just cut it up into little pieces, stick it in the oven for a little while, and they crisp up amazingly. And I mean, you wouldn't even know that it's not a chip.
Nuts are also an amazing snack option.
But as we know, they do have some amount of carbs, and you really want to portion because they come in these big bags, and if you take these big bags and start munching on them on a road trip for hours and hours, it's a bad thing. So what we've done is we've portioned tiny little containers like this. These are little restaurant cups, but you know, if you have your own little cups or little Ziploc snack bags, that'll work fine. But this, at least, if you take one out and you finish it, you know you need to stop right then and there.
Yeah. Portioning is good. Portion your food. So I love olives. I'm so happy that they fall on keto because I would dearly miss my olives.
And usually they come in cans like this, which is not a good thing to take in the car with you.
Yeah.
So usually we open them up, drain out all the liquid, and put them in a container. That way it's a mess-free, yummy snack.
So when you're falling asleep on the road, who doesn't like to stop at Starbucks?
Or any coffee shop or even gas station. If you go in there and get your coffee or get like an Americano or something like that with just your espresso shots, we pack heavy whipping cream with us. And this saves you because you probably won't find heavy whipping cream anywhere else. Starbucks usually has it, but other gas stations probably won't. And that way you can still enjoy your coffee and you're good.
Now, along with that coffee, you're gonna have to find some way to sweeten it. We usually like to bring erythritol with us. It's a form of sugar, but it has 0 net carbs, so it's allowed on keto.
Right, and that's a huge bag, so we usually put it in a Ziploc bag with a spoon inside. Again, easy to use on the go.
Yes. So usually on road trips, my mom will pack a bunch of like Coke, Sprite, any kind of soda. But since we're not allowed to drink that anymore, we usually like to drink club soda as a replacement.
Now, club soda by itself is disgusting, but if you happen to take some limes, be sure you cut them so you're not cutting them in the car. Just take little slices of limes, wedges in a Ziploc bag, and take some salt with you. Put that lime, put that salt in that club soda, and it is an amazing, refreshing drink. Plus you get a little bit of salt in there, which is also good for you.
Yes, because on keto, you know, your salt levels are always getting depleted, so you always want to be constantly putting that salt back in your body.
Right.
So we really hope that you found our list of essentials useful. Maybe you'll use them on your next road trip.
And I'm sure you guys have your own set of essential things, and if you do, please share them with us, share them with all our other viewers, and
leave
put
them
it
in the comments.
Yeah.
Yes. And we just want all of you guys to remember that it's easy to keto if you know how. Thanks for watching. Bye. Portioning is good.